Removing Mastercard from Facebook is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can remove Mastercard from Facebook. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you have to be at your Google and there you have to search for Facebook ads. After searching for that, you simply have to go to, Facebook ads, manage your website, which should be your meta ads. So for that, you have to click on this ads management for Facebook or Instagram. It will take you to your Facebook ads manager. Now here you have to click on this go to ads manager. What it will do is it will open up your Facebook ads manager, which will contain all of your, ads or payment details that you've added here. Now here you simply have to, click on the settings and it will take you to the settings. Now these settings contains usually your payment methods which you used at your Facebook account. Now as you guys can see, this is how it will look. Here you have to click on this payment settings. After clicking on payment settings, you will see this page. As you guys can see, it wants me to add the payment method because I do not have any added right here. But in your case, you will be able to see your payment method added right here. You just have to delete it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.